here. Close that. Get me out this. Close that a little. We didn't really use those at all. Over here, we have the sliding doors, which double as a mirror. Here is the shower. And you get the waterfall shower head, which is pretty cool. There we go. Now, the toilets here, that's a different thing. Every single toilet here in the Philippines, in my personal opinion, is pretty cool because they have a little sprayer to spray off the toilet, which is very sanitizing. Oh, well, whatever. Well, that's a weird bidet. Okay. It's in her sinks. Full amenities, comb, toothpaste, cotton buds, toothbrush, his and hers, hair ties, fresh towels, jacuzzi bathtub with a sprayer. Then it walks into the main room with the TV. And down here is the goodie drawer with the fridge full of booze and drinks. Fresh fruit, fresh bottles of water. You got your workstation where my stuff is sitting right now. Then we have a nice little place over here. And then also, the table here has an opening for all your plugins. The great thing is they come with a bunch of spa stuff. You can actually get a treatment or an in-room massage. Here is the menu. They have an in-room menu which we have utilized for a few days. All the restaurants and bars. And that's the tour of the room.